I've spoken about nappes in various 1-minute geologies, so I thought it would be a good chance to talk about what they actually are. So a nappe is when you have extreme crustal shortening, which causes folding, and eventually the folds get overturned onto their sides as well, and often there's thrusting as well associated with it, so the folds are then cut up by thrust faults. This is a sandbox experiment. This is layers of sand which are in a clear plastic box which we compress from the right. This is a good simulation of what happens in the crust. So you've got the shortening here from the right, and you can see in the upper crust you end up with a lot of brittle faulting and chevron folding. This is what we see at Millock, and in the lower crust you end up with ductile folding and faulting at depth, and this is what we see in the Scottish Caledonian deformation. And nappes are an integral part of mountain building, so we see them across Scotland in the Caledonian, across the southwest of England in the Variscan, and in major active mountain belts in the Alps, in the Himalayas, and in the Cascades in America and Rockies.